windows and no doors. Clear. I'm sorry, wrong attraction. Wrong attraction. Now pick up those hands. Wave goodbye to everybody on that dock. Bye. 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 You will never see them again. Not like you really saw them before. Now, who woke up this morning and said, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it? Me too. Me too. I woke up this morning and I was like, Jungle Cruise, got to do it. Everyone, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Haley, and today I'll be your skipper. I'll be your tour guide. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Now, everyone, please remember to keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Parents, please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your parents. Everyone, please remember to remain seated facing forward on your 2 back pockets. And if you accidentally drop something in the water, totally fine. Just raise your hand. I'll raise mine, and we'll both wave goodbye to it together. Sound good? Great. And we are now entering the Amazon rainforest. To your left, we have Inspiration Falls. It's called Inspiration Falls because the longer you look at it, the more you get inspired to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody go. Ooh. Everybody go. Ah. Everybody go. Skipper Haley, you're the best. Sounds like inspiration if I've ever heard it. And we are now entering the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Guys, look, the Jungle Book. Oh, look in the jungle. The Jungle Book. Ha 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 ha. Behind me, I set up a welcome pygmy party for you. There's going to be music and dancing and food and drinks and no people. I can't see anyone. Canoe? Do you guys see anything that might have scared them off? What? Oh, there's a big snake. Anyone know the technical term? It starts with a P. Actually, plastic. A great guess. I would like to warn you that they can develop a crush on you, and it does become an extremely constricting relationship. Really don't want to get wrapped up in that. And now, everyone, please keep your eyes peeled to the right because we may need to split. And we are now entering the Nile River. The Nile River goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in Africa. You're in Africa. Up ahead we have a rare African elephant. How do I know that it's an African elephant? Okay, you guys are getting it. Want to see a cool trick? Speak! Louder! Okay, now spray the boat. We're still working on that one. And we are now entering the African belt. Up there we have some long-necked cheetahs. Down here, the animals that killed Mufasa. Up there, some things that look like deer, some zebras, some lions. Oh, guys, look! That pride of lions is watching over that sleeping zebra. Oh, we'll just let him rest in peace. Up ahead on your right, you will learn the #1 rule of our jungle, survival of the fastest. Now, you don't have to outrun the animal. Just make sure you do outrun the people ahead of you. Okay, so everyone pick up those hands. Say hi to my friend Ina. Hi, Ina. Hi, Ina. And now say bye, Ina. And now if you look over here to your left, you're going to look right in between those 2 trees right here. You got to look beyond the brush, beyond the leaves. You will see absolutely nothing. Up ahead, we have the beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is actually named after the founder. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys, everybody, you're going to have to lean to the right for me, okay? Everybody lean! Lean, lean, lean! If you're worried about looking dumb, don't worry, I'm doing that for you. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. We made it. I knew we would. I don't know why some of you were so panicked. Everything's fine. Now coming up on your right, try not to be too impressed, but this right here is the first plane I ever piloted. Do you know what the hardest part about landing a plane is? It's the ground. The ground. Okay, no one panic, but we are now entering a hippo pool. Okay, guys, don't worry. I do know how to get rid of them. I love you. I want a commitment. Hey, let me meet your mom. Yeah, we will never see or hear from them ever again. Not a call. Not a text. You're welcome. Oh no, guys, we are now entering headhunter territory. Trust me, this is not a good place to be headed. It does look like for you. Okay, so they're looking for a type of plant. It's called an ambush. An But that's okay. So now it's the moment you have all been waiting for. It is the backside of water! And we are now entering the Mekong River in the heart of Cambodia. You guys don't want to go on that dark, scary temple up there, do you?
Yeah!
I was afraid you'd say that because we're going in anyways. Now this can end in one of three ways. Adventure, danger, or let's be honest guys, this is Disney. It's probably going to end in a gift shop. Hibiscus, globiscus, seabiscus, fern. Thank you for your question. Now, no trip through the jungle is complete without a visit to my good friend Trader Sam. Sam here is the head salesman of our jungle, but sales have been shrinking, so he has a deal for you. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? Guys, come on, no matter how you slice it or you dice it, you do come out ahead. But after a cruise like that, there's really only one thing left to say. Kind of like what my parents told me on my 18th birthday. They said, Skipper Haley, light of our lives, we love you more than, and oh, guys, pity applause. Well, the free ride's over. Get out. I'm so sorry. That was so rude. Please, get out of my boat. There you go. Now, if you all stand up at once, it helps even out the boat if I squint really hard. So, everybody up. And guys, do me a